is going on today, guys? My name's Alex. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very special update. Sitting behind me is one of the best used trucks, in my opinion, that you can buy right now. These things are worth their weight in gold. And I think they're only going to go up in value over the years. So pretty excited to have this truck on the channel. Not just because it's a great used truck, but because I plan on putting this thing to the limit and really testing her to see what she's about. We have a 98 Chevy K2500 4x4, gotta have it. Up front we got the 350 small block, 5.7 vortec. One of the main reasons why I actually bought this truck is because, hopefully you guys can see, that rear end right there is a G80 locker. But yeah, for the age of this truck, she's pretty clean. She definitely got some dents and bruises, but that just goes with the territory of being a good work truck. This thing is an Ontario truck, so it's actually shocking the rockers are still on her. Originally bought in Barrie, Ontario. Over the next couple of videos, I'm hoping to show you guys why I think this thing is literally worth its weight in gold. You know, these things are just built to last, and there's a ton of these things still on the road for that exact reason. Let me know in the comments what you think I end up paying for this thing. There's 300,000 kilometers on it, just so you guys know. So let me know what you think I paid for it. The next thing I want to talk about is, you know, I just really want to thank everyone for your support of me, first of all, and the channel. Without that support, I wouldn't have been able to buy this truck right here. And I just really appreciate everyone sticking around and you know, enjoying the stuff I make. I just really want to continue along that path. I want to continue learning and creating just really cool, you know, fun, educational content, and this truck is going to help me do that. So I just want to thank everyone. My goal for this year was to have 10,000 subscribers at the end of the year. We're a little ways off that, but I still think that's a very attainable goal. So that's what I'm working towards, and I hope everyone, you know, sticks along for the ride, because I'm hoping to get there. Last thing I want to talk about is the Honda Ridgeline. My sister is currently driving that truck, and once she gets a new vehicle, it'll be back in my possession. So we will have 3 trucks, 1, 2, 3, on the channel. Obviously this new truck here, which I cannot wait to throw in some mud and really see how she performs. We have the Ram, which you guys know all about. I've made many thorough videos on that one. And the Honda Ridgeline, I'm really excited because those all have 3 different types of 4x4 systems. This one is a much truer, old style, just true mechanical locking, transfer case locking diff. The Ram, like I've talked about before, is a clutch pack transfer case, open differentials. And the Honda Ridgeline is a pretty cool, I guess it's not really an all-wheel drive system. It's technically a 4x4 system, but has a really cool rear diff, basically like an electronic posi that's got 2 clutch packs that are electronically controlled. So it'll be really cool over the next couple months here and into the winter to test those out in the snow and in the mud to see what those trucks are all about. In the meantime, I just want to briefly let everyone know that we have a new starring guest on the channel, and I am super excited to have her, and I'm really just thankful for everyone's support over the last year. I really appreciate it. I couldn't do it without you guys. So anyways, enough of that. We will see you on the next freaking video, guys.